Food's available here. Some margarita pizza, Greek salad. The beach, how are you, brother? Fresh coconuts, yeah? Nice little place there. Some people sat on the beach here as well, quite a big group here just ahead of me. All the vibrant lights available. Hello, how are you, madam? Good, good.
You want to drink something?
No, thank you, I need to... Hello, how are you, madam?
Good. What about you?
Good, good.
Sexy.
So popular at this time, sunset. Of Indonesian, big group of Western tourists here, sat on the chairs having the coconuts. Good early evening from Bali, Indonesia. So this evening I'm here in the Kuta area of Bali, and what I'm going to feature in this video for you is a sunset stroll along Kuta Beach. So the starting point for this video is going to be at the brand newly constructed Kuta Beach sign, which is on a platform I shall show you in the video in a moment, and I'm going to walk all the way through to the main gate entrance to Legian Beach. So we're going to take in the back of the beach. I'm going to show you all the drinks and food sellers at the back of the beach, all the seating areas, and just show you how vibrant this section of beach is here in Kuta at sunset. So without any further ado, let's go and get started and take a stroll along Kuta Beach. Okay, so here's the start point for this evening's video, the Kuta Beach sunset in the last paradise sign here. You can see it's quite vibrant already, busy with people having photos and things taken at this sign here. In tonight's video we're going to walk in this direction. Okay, so one last look at Kuta Beach sunset in the last paradise, and now we're going to head in this direction. And just turn around and show you there's quite a few people sat on there already. It's a very popular photo area, busy on the street also. And we're going to walk along the back of the beach. So we have a first little warung here, people sat eating there. Have some toilet and shower facilities just on the right hand side there. People having a shower after their time in the ocean on the beach. Have a lifeguard tower here. So this is a car parking area just at the back here for cars and motorbikes. Some people in the back there also. And you can see it's quite busy on the beach, quite a few people here on the beach in all directions. I'm going to walk on the beach actually, I'm not going to walk on the pathway because there's only cars at the back in this area here. So we'll just walk through the crowds of people here on the beach. Ooh la la, so many people here. It's very busy. Mixture of, there's a lot of Indonesian at this section of beach here. It's all cars on the top there. You see people just sitting on the sand, sitting on the lounges, relaxing, eating, drinking. People have got coconuts, soft drinks, beers. All is available from the top. Just along the back of the beach there, you can get all your drinks and things. Oh la la, so many people. Just go down to the ocean. So many people in the ocean also. So popular at this time, sunset. Yeah, there's a good mixture of Indonesian, big group of Western tourists here, sat on the chairs, having the coconuts. So busy. Western tourists as well at the back there. Yeah, it's a good mixture here at this section of beach with Western and Indonesian. Big groups down still playing in the ocean. We'll go back up onto the top here just to see what's along the back of the beach here. We have the skate park up here. Also the parking, all your drinks and things are available from the sellers at the back of the beach here. Guys with the things there. This is the motorbike and car parking area. Have a Telkomsel office over there if you need a SIM card. And then just here at the back of the beach we have the brand newly installed skate park here. You want to do any skateboarding? Oh la la. Lots of tourists coming along the beach, back of the back beach here, the track. So you have all your seats and drink sellers all at the back of the beach here. Surfboard rental. Give you a look at this section here back on the beach. You can see it's still very busy in this section. Also have some fresh coconuts. So this skateboard is just opposite the Jalan Benesari entrance. Some kiddies playing in the sand there. Here's the other section of the skate park, like a big bowl here. And directly across the street here, this is Jalan Benesari. There's a mini mart, Pepito Express, Mamika Hotel. Have some exercise equipment here also. Some people sat on the back of the beach here also. All of the main people though are just actually out here. It's a little bit different than the first section of Kuta Beach. The beach really seems to widen out here. I'm just going to take you through the gate here just to show you what hotels are opposite this area of beach. So just coming out here, we're going to be directly opposite the Tribe Hotel. This is a beautiful hotel. I've featured this in a video. I shall include the link in the description. So that's the Tribe Hotel, Maluna Spa and Beauty Salon just next door to Tribe. That's Mamika Hotel next door to the Tribe. Just down there, as I've said, is Jalan Benesari. Now we're going to continue back along the beach all the way through to Legian Beach. It's a really big, wide section of beach this. It's not like the previous video. That section of beach is pretty narrow. And lots of people sat here at the back of the beach. Some are sat on the chairs and things, some are sat on the, many just actually sat on the sand. They're packing all the chairs and things up now. Ooh la la, so busy. Many people here. Have a Circle K convenience store, that in the bright lights over there. Big groups of people again here. This is quite a vibrant place, this one. Have some beanbag style seating, some tourists here sat on the beanbag style seating. Oh, we actually have a restaurant area here at the back of this section. Ascara kitchen and bar. Can't read that, but it's Ascara kitchen and bar. Show you some of the foods available here. Some margarita pizza, Greek salad, mushroom truffle pizza, baked fish, grilled lobster, grilled prawn, grilled fish. And now we're going to walk along the back of the beach here. So everyone's just about packing up. There's a bit more limited numbers of people. However, there is still some people here. If you're looking for a quiet section of beach. And another little place here at the back of the beach. How are you, brother? Fresh coconuts, yeah? Nice little place there. Copyright music. So all of the local drink sellers and warungs here at the back of the beach are just packing up now. We've got odd ones still open here. Selling. Hello, good evening. So we have some pot noodles and things available here at this one. Some nice soft drinks, snacks, many things available there. Still some people on the beach here, not too many. Just a few scattered around. Sun's all set in the distance. And now we're going to just continue walking up to the gateway entrance to Legian Beach. So very quiet at this section of beach at this time.
Yeah, cooking.
Oh, we're coming to a bit more busier section now. You can see they're stacking the chairs and tables away. I'm just going to go onto the beach because there's not really any of the bars open. We have another toilet and shower facility, this one here. I'm just going to walk through these sections here. So you can see there's a few people on this section of beach here. We'll get back on the track here. And another nice little warung place here. Bar. It's very nice, this one. It's got all of your drinks again here. Bintang, Smirnoff, Sinaraja. Some soft drinks also. Some people sat on the beach here as well, quite a big group here just ahead of me. All the vibrant lights. A little bit in darkness here. Let's take you back onto the road just to see where we're opposite. I think we're opposite the Pullman. Yes, we are. Just take you onto the road now. This is the Pullman directly across the street. So this is your beach here of sunset time if you're staying at the Pullman. And now we haven't got far to go until we arrive at the main gate entrance to Legian Beach. This one's called David Beach Bar, ice cold beer.
You want winter?
No, thank you. Another bar still open here. So there's not a great deal of lighting here, however there is quite a few people sat on the beach on the beanbags and the seating. You can still get your drinks and things available. Hello, how are you, madam? Good, good.
You want to drink something? Yeah?
No, thank you, I need to finish. How are you, brother? Have some more here, just sat relaxing. Hello, how are you, madam?
Good. What about you?
Good, good.
One drink? Five drinks?
No, I need to finish, thank you. So you've got limited, there is people still sat on the beach here and there. Everyone's packing up now, the sun has already set. And now we're approaching the main gate entrance to there's any bar, ice cold drink. In front of the Pullman Hotel there. The ladies selling all the stuff here also. So here's a last seating area now here. Some tourists here just sat on the beanbags having a good laugh, some good fun. And then now we're arriving at the main gate entrance to Legian Beach. So the next section of beach is Legian. They sometimes classify it as Padma Beach also. A group of people here. I'm just going to take you out this way, and then sometime in the future we shall continue along Legian Beach and Padma Beach and show you what that one looks like. So that says Pantai Legian. The camera's not really picking it up because it's too dark already.
Like the same thing.
So this is the end of Jalan Pantai Kuta. Pullman Hotel in the distance there. This is Jalan Melastay. I've featured this street in the night video also, and then we'll just show you where we'll be heading in the next video. This is in the next video. This is a very nice bar here on the corner, Joseph's Ice Cold Bar. This is where we shall start in the next sunset beach walk. Okay, so that concludes this evening's video, my sunset, start of the night beach walk here from the Kuta beach sign all the way through to the main Legian beach entrance. So as you've seen with the camera in this sunset stroll, it's an absolutely vibrant section of beach this. I think this beach section actually here, it feels a lot wider and a lot more spacious than the previous section that I featured in the previous section of Kuta Beach. From Kuta Beach gate entrance all the way to the Kuta Beach sign. You could see there's quite a few people here enjoying the sunset, taking it all in. You've got all your drink sellers, all your food sellers all at the back of the beach, catering for all of your needs. So on that note, hope you've enjoyed this evening's video or this sunset walking video. Hope some of you find this video useful and maybe want to pay this section of Kuta Beach a visit during your holiday here in Bali, and I shall say bye for now.